Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, all of you, and welcome to all. Today I came here. This place name is Poloshkanda village, and annual ceremony. And host, do you know host ceremony is today? His name is Dayal Sad Hassan Kari Rahmatullah Alai. Annual ceremony, and Almighty gave me chance to came here. That's why I am really satisfied. Alhamdulillah. And after Milad Mafil, Baul singer will sing, and I invited all of you who are they want to visit or who are they want to pray. You can come within short time after 9 p.m. at night. Means this night. Uh, After 9 p.m. Milad will start inshallah, and I invited all of you who are there want to join. You can join us. You can join with us, and it's annual ceremony. Means Bashurik Milad Mahfil. After Milad, lot of singer means Baul singer will sing a song, and if you want to sing a song, you can come, and I invited you. Please come and you will sing a song. I'm telling again, this place name is village Poloshkanda, sub-district Phulpur. And after Milad, we'll sing a song. We'll sing a song, Baul singer, and you can join. You can join Milad and Baul song. If you want to sing, you can. You will be able to sing. I invited you. Please come and visit and pray for all of you who are there wanted. You can come and join with us. And not only that, before end, I invited all of you. They are Chad Baba Abdul Rashid from Abdul Rashid. Everybody will take food, inshallah. And I have to finish here. Please forgive me if I have made a mistake. And not only that, hope everybody will help for this অনুষ্ঠান, for this ceremony. I have to finish here. See you soon next video if Almighty want. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.